Welcome back, my big noise crew. I am going to do a quick tour. It is not empty anymore in here, guys, okay? So we are going to start here in the living room and work our way around. All right, who's ready? You ready? So we still have not gotten a stand yet for this, but this is the living room. You're going to see a lot of boxes around here. This is the living room. That is of course, the TV. And then I still got to get our curtains. So hopefully we'll have our curtains tomorrow. This is the sectional that me and the kids put together for the living room. All right, so we got the living room here, and you will see a lot of boxes because we do have things that we have already put together. Still got to break down the boxes. This is my love, my what is it called? My stand that I had brought before I even moved. The door over here, of course, and we have recessed lights inside our ceiling, guys. So one of the lights aren't on. I think we only got like the main lights on. We did test out these commands because, as y'all know, I said I did not want to put holes in my walls. So first we wanted to test out these command hooks before putting curtains up, and we tested it out, and it indeed does work, guys. So these command hooks is what I'll be using because I don't want to put holes in my wall. Over here we have the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen. And get off my leg, buddy. The kitchen is over this way. It just seems like it's so close. I don't know why. And then you have inside the window the homemade, the sign that they made for our family. I'm using my iPad, guys. I'm not used to this, so bear with me. But yep, so there is the sign that they made for us at the home. And then over here we have a folding table right now until we can find a table suitable for our family size. So right now we're just doing a folding table with the folding chairs. Okay, and now we're gonna go down the hallway. These are actually the kids' bunk beds. Right here, one set of the kids' bunk bed, another set, and then it's another set. There is a bathroom, but one of the kids are in there right now. And let me see if I can zoom out of here. And this is the game room, guys. Okay, so this will be the game room. My daughter is currently sitting here watching TV. I'm gonna move quick out of here because she don't like to be recorded. So this is gonna be the game room. There is games inside that closet over there. Okay, and then you come down this hall, and then you're gonna go into another room. Hey, Grace. Like I said, right now we do not have curtains up. These are
Hey, Grace.
trash bags.
Get out of my room!
And they currently have air beds for their beds because, as you've seen, we have not put up the beds yet because we're waiting on get the mattresses. Their closet is semi-organized, not quite. And then here goes the little guy. All right, so then when we step out of here, we are going to go down the hall into this room. Hi, Joe. And then, of course, they have the closets over there. And they all have right now air beds. Okay? So then you go to this side, you're going to see, ooh, nice and clean. Look at that bathroom. This is the boys' room, and Terrell cleaned up very well. He said he did the bathroom today. So good job. I would say he's putting a trash bag in. And then we're going to go into his actual room, though. It's not too shabby in here. But like I said, hopefully we will have their mattresses up. I mean, their bunk beds up this weekend because their mattresses should be here. And if you go down into the kitchen, we're gonna go past here and go into the laundry room, guys. The laundry room is not put together yet because, funny story, my husband brought, this is the washer, but the drain hose is just absolutely too short, so it's turned to the side versus to the way it's supposed to. We got an extension piece, just got it today. All these things are things that they told us we needed for our dryer that it didn't work. Okay guys, Lowe's came out, they put a new piece on there, their own piece, and we just ruined it. So we gotta take this stuff back. My husband originally was the one that did put the dryer together. The dryer's doing great. I still have, of course, all my natural cleaning products up here for my laundry room. That's the dryer sheets and all natural laundry. They have a sale going on their laundry detergent, y'all. So I definitely had to snatch it up why it's on sale. So that's why you see like multiple ones up there. And then I'm waiting on my fabric softener. And then these are actually going to go on my bed whenever I get my comforter that I want. It's going on my bed. I got these for like, I think $1 each, way before we moved in. But yeah, so I'm not going to show you the other side because the other side of the laundry room is looking crazy. All the good stuff is over there from when we moved in. We are still trying to get settled in, guys. My aunt actually got this for me. It says, "Bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us." My aunt dropped off a lot of things for me. She got this for me as well, so I can put fruit in here and make the water. Like all my things, like for the most part, my aunt dropped off a lot of stuff. So this is the living room area as I showed you. And now we're gonna go into the master bedroom. And you're probably like, well, why y'all got a bed? I'm gonna tell you what happened with this bed. We literally been sleeping on the floor this whole time. And they had sent us our mattress for our bed a while ago, right? So we've been sleeping on the floor. They sent us our mattress. We had gotten some, sorry guys, I had to take that from my son. That's not his, it's one of the other kids' candy. So they gave us our mattress and they delivered the mattress and we was just sleeping on the floor, and then out of nowhere we got the snow, and then it was pushed back forever for our frame to come. So they delivered the mattress, no frame, and then out of nowhere the frame comes. And that cover you see, guys, my husband actually got that for my birthday. My birthday was January 22nd. But so with the kids, the same thing. No mattresses, but delivered the frames to their beds. So hopefully we'll have that sooner than later. My son is over here. He just came in here and like destroyed my area over here. But this is like the business area where we do all things business. Over here, we're still waiting to find some stands, some affordable stands, because we are starting completely over right now when it comes to everything, because we were pictures of my husband and the kids popped up on the TV because it is a Google TV. And then I also have my pictures over here that I still have to put up. I have found, my husband actually got me the command strips that you put up pictures with, so I just gotta get them up, guys. No excuses, right? So then we're gonna go in here to my bathroom. Hey guys! So this is, of course, the bathroom. This will be actually a project that my husband's gonna do. He's gonna change this. I don't know how to unzoom this. Goodness gracious, this thing is all the way zoomed in and I have no clue how to unzoom it. Clearly you can tell I never use this tablet, but I don't have anything to record on right now, guys. So I have to use this. I wanted to bring y'all some content. So he's gonna actually turn this into a his and hers. So we actually went and looked at everything, and we just gotta purchase it and get it up. Of course, we have our vitamins here. This is our daily vitamins that we take here. Good stuff, So I got the women's pack, my husband has the men's pack. I'm all naturals, guys, all things natural. So this is indeed my side. All this natural toothpaste and things. My daily vitamins, vitamin D, and these are actually Kama said. This is better than Tums. Tums actually tear at your line, so stomach line. So if I have any type of accident situation going on, I use these. This is literally calcium and natural herbs in it, okay? And it actually works. I used it a lot when I was pregnant. But anyhow, so let's get on over here. This is the stand that I had put together. I always told my husband, I said, when we move, I want my stand. Like, I want this stand I don't even have the things yet that I want on it, but he made it his business. One day I came in here and the box was sitting there. I'm like, oh my gosh, you got my stand. Like I said, slowly but surely we're getting things together. So my husband things and then my things. I'm gonna order off of Shein the things to put the other things in little organization. But if you get close, it's like a rusted brown color that he got because we're going more brown and then other colors. But this will actually have that soft pink. That brain part, that picture in there is actually goes in here. So that's where that pink is coming from, actually from there. All right, so then you come into my shower. This is the shower area, guys. Only thing I have up here right now is that, which I'm fine with because it's just me and my husband in my bathroom, you know, so it is what it is. And then I got that little caddy over there. It actually was supposed to go up the wall, but the way it is made, you cannot hang that in there. So I actually just placed it right there, which is actually working out really good for us. It doesn't fall or anything. It's very sturdy. So that's where I just put all things that we use. This is, don't mind this, y'all. I keep this over here because this is a deli shower cleaner and it is bomb.com. So you just spray and wipe. Okay, so it's a deli cleaner. So that's why that's sitting here. I am gonna eventually get a stand or something to put over here in this corner. Give me some ideas, guys, because I'm having a hard time really like putting things together. I know what I want, but I'm having a hard time. So the closet is not well put together right now. We still got working on things, so we got stuff like kind of everywhere right now. But this is a huge closet, and this video is doing it no justice, guys. No justice. All right, so we are now out of here, and I believe I showed all 3 of the rooms. I showed the living room. You didn't get to see all the bathrooms because the kids are in the bathroom. Unfortunately, I'm doing this while everybody's home. I'm gonna do another one when stuff get a little bit more furnished. Like I said, it's boxes everywhere right now because we're still in the process of doing things. And then of course, don't judge me on my plastic bags right now. Yes, we do have plastic bags up there because I refuse to put holes in my walls. But hopefully I gotta go get the daggone curtain. Like I said, we did a test curtain over here and it worked out. So I'm gonna definitely be getting curtains soon. But either way, I hope you liked my quick, empty, not so empty house tour. And I'm having a hard time with this here iPad, guys. So, you know, just bear with me. Either way, I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you guys for sticking it out with me. I thank you guys for just being so awesome. Okay. If you have any questions or any comments or concerns, comment below. Please, no outrageous, crazy comments. I just don't feel like dealing with the foolery. But it's real life over here, y'all. So y'all gonna see all the things while you are here with Mrs. Newton's big family. It's definitely not a lot of noise now that we got this big house, which I'm grateful for. So thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, don't be bitter, don't be mean. Give someone a hug today. And I'll be back with some more content very soon. This here frame my aunt gave us. Okay. Have a great one, guys.